How to upload digital products on Etsy. Hi guys! So first thing we're going to do is in this tutorial is go to etsy.com. So as you can see, I'm already in the Etsy. So this is what the Etsy website looks like. So here you can see some lots of things. So here, Etsy is a global online marketplace where people come together to make, sell, buy, and collect unique stuff. So here you can buy gifts for your friends. There's some personalized gift ideas, wedding gifts, and a lot more. So first thing you're going to do is go to etsy.com and go to your shop manager. So as you can see in the shop manager, you're here in the shop preferences. So here's mine. So English is my shop language, my shop country is Philippines, and shop currency. So you click save and continue. And next one is to name your shop. So here's mine. I named mine in Honey Goodies. So this is where you will put your name in your shop. So the next thing is to stock your shop. So this is where you add your listing. So in my case, I already have one, so I'm gonna show you how I did mine. So here's mine. This is my listing. So this is the first thing you're gonna see when you add your listing. So here there is the photos of your product that you're gonna upload. So here, I uploaded 3 photos of my product. So my product is a phone wallpaper. So here there are different sets of angles that you could provide to upload your photos. So you can upload as much as you want by just clicking the add a photo. So in my case, I'm just going to upload 3. So here there's the adjust thumbnail of the product as well. So the next one is to upload your video. If you have a video of your product, you can also add it as well. So the video's maximum file size should be 100 MB. So it's preferred to have a 1080p or higher resolution for your video, and it also should be a 5 to 15 second video. So that is the requirements for your video on your product. So the next thing is the listing details. So in here, I have my title. So this is my title, Cute Food Wallpapers. So since my product is a phone wallpaper, I put Cute Food Wallpapers. So about this listing, who made it? So I choose I did. And then what is it? It's a finished product. And then when is it recently made? So I chose the recently, which is 2020 to 2023. So the next one is the category. So in here in the category, you can identify what category your product is. So here I type digital phone wallpaper since it's a phone wallpaper. So I'm choosing that one, so it belongs to digital. So the shoppers will find this item in all of these categories listed below. So if they're gonna search that one, the phone wallpaper will appear on these categories. So here we're in the primary color of my product, so I chose yellow since majority of it is yellow. Then my secondary color is brown since there are lots of browns of it too, so that's why I chose it as my secondary color. So the next one is the width and height. So in this case it's optional, so you can put your dimensions of your product, but in my case, since it's a wallpaper, I won't be putting some input in here. So when you put an input, you can just choose a unit either in inches or centimeters or millimeters. So the next thing is the orientation. So mine is in vertical and the framing is unframed since there's no frame. And my orientation is vertical since it's a phone wallpaper. So in this part, the occasion and holiday, this is also optional as well if it depends on the relevance of your product. So if your product fits to certain occasion or a holiday, you can just directly go to type to search and choose what kind of occasion it is for or what kind of holiday it is for. So the next one is the room. So this is applicable to digital art prints or wall decors. So you can just select what is the you can select what fits for that product of yours and rooms, but since mine isn't applicable to this, so I won't be using or applying this one. So in this next one is the subject. So this one I'll be applying my product in here. So my subject is food and drink, and so here you can choose a lot. So mine, I chose anime and cartoon and then food and drink. So for the next one, for the renewal options, so you have choices, automatic and manual. So the automatic is this listing will renew as it expires for 0.20 USD dollars. So I won't be choosing that one because I preferred manual, since in here in manual you can just renew your listings yourself. So the next one is the type. So you choose what type of product is it. So in here, mine is digital since it's a phone wallpaper, so it doesn't really require a physical one. So the next one is the description of your product. So here I'm typing what my description of my product. So in my case, I put here cute phone wallpapers made by me. These are actually my erasers. So I just explained what it is about. So that's my description for my product. So the next one is the production partners and section. So this is optional as well if you have production partners, but since I am the only one, so I won't be using that one. So I put here cute phone wallpapers, cute food, cute digital. So you can type tags as much as you want, and there are 13 options for you to put some tags. So you can type in as much as you want as long as it's 13 tags. So it's the same as the materials as well. So I don't really need to apply on that one since there's no materials needed for it. So the next thing we're going to proceed is from the inventory and pricing. So in here we're proceed to the inventory and pricing. So you put the price of your product here. So my product is in $3. So you also have you put your quantity here of how many products you have available. So in my case, I put 10. And then in this part, it's just optional, so I just erased it. So you don't need to input that part. So on the last one, there is this digital files. So this is where the buyer can download these files as soon as they complete their purchase. So in here, I uploaded my digital files. So this is my digital files. So all you have to do is just upload a file and then browse your product. So after that, it will just upload in there. So that's it for the listing. So all you have to do now is check if it's all okay, the information of your listing, and then you can go ahead and save and continue. So that's about it, guys. That's how you upload your digital products or listings on Etsy. Thank you for watching. I hope you learn a lot in this video.